In this section we look at equations and how to solve for unknowns and pronumerals. Okay, one of the techniques we're going to use for solving equations for unknowns is something we call backtracking. Okay, and I'll explain what backtracking is as we look at some examples. Okay, let's look at example number 1. X plus 3 is equal to 10. So there's a certain number x, I added 3 to it and I got 10. I want to know what that number was or what x was. Because I added 3, so if I subtract 3 from 10, I end up with 7. That's backtracking. Backtracking means that you can see initially I added 3. Okay, now to work backward I have to take away that 3. Okay, hope you follow that. Now we look at question 2. Y minus 3 is 6. Okay, we need to find y. Now going back to backtracking, because I took away 3, so it's y minus 3 to get 6. Now if I add 3 to the 6, I'm going to get 9. So there again, that's an example of backtracking. Okay, now we look at number 3. Number 3 says 2t is equal to 8. Find t. Now 2t we know means 2 times t is equal to 8. Okay, or t times 2 is equal to 8. Now the backtracking for multiplication is division. So instead of 2 times t is equal to 8, I can say that 8 divided by 2 must be equal to t. And I get t is equal to 4. And now looking at the next question, I got p divided by 3 is equal to 4. We need to find p. Remember, I'm taking p and I'm dividing it by 3. So division, the backtracking is going to be multiplication. So I have to take 4 times 3 to get me an answer for p. And I get p is equal to 12. Okay, so this answer just confirms that p is equal to 12. Now I want you to have a look at question 5. You got 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. We need to find x. How do you go about finding x? Remember, this question or this equation got a combination of multiplication and subtraction. So basically now to do the backtracking, because I've got subtraction I need to do addition, and because I got multiplication, the 2 times x, I need to do a division, dividing by 2. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, we noticed that the minus 3 became a plus 3, so 7 plus 3 is 10. So on the left hand side I still have the 2x. Right, 2 times x is 10. Because I've got 2 times, I have to divide by 2 on the other side. So I'm going to get x is equal to 5. So I need for you to practice more examples. There will be a equation worksheet on Moodle, which I would like you to do. But remember, this comes with practice, and it'll be much more easier as you practice and look at this screencast video. Oh, the next question looks a bit more difficult, but don't be too concerned. It is just a problem, just a bit more difficult than number 5, but the principle is the same. Okay, you've got minus 2x minus 73 is equal to minus 89. Now, because on the left hand side I've got minus 73, remember when we're backtracking, if there's minus 73, I need to plus 73 on the right hand side. Okay, and then that gives me minus 2x is minus 89 plus 73, and we know that minus 89 plus 73 is minus 16. If you don't believe me, you can check it on your calculators. You should get 16, minus 16. Now you got minus 2x is equal to minus 16. Now remember, I want x, and I need to, firstly I got 2 times x. Backtracking, I need to divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, okay, after dividing by 2 on both, backtracking, we've got minus x is equal to minus 8. Now we don't want minus x, we want x. How can we get a positive x? We know from our multiplication rules that minus x times minus 1 must give me positive x, and what I do on one side of an equation, I do on the other side. If I multiply the left-hand side by -1, I must multiply the right-hand side by -1, so the equation will still be balanced. So I end up with an answer of x is equal to 8. There you go, x is equal to 8. Excuse me, so it's not as bad as you think it is, okay? So it's all good from here. So have a look at the equation worksheet on Moodle and go on from there. Thank you.